Kajing up kmi ki Rongjeng snong ka Ribhoi district banyo elak jongka college sarkar kalajan urlong hakaba ya ka Patharkhmah model degree college kabalak sedang sna sansnam mensua lala ban pendep bat pentri kamno ya ka how news nam ya ka la pentip do menteri badai kmi ya ka Plie ka jela urakam e sangma habakren sigilat thai kubor hakano phai sngi ka khalai tarik jumang arjar pusau ula pentip bawa laki dang don katu kat niki kam ki badangsa ban pendep mre ya katega college on sedang ban pentri kam no nadu kan ni ka academic session jongs nam arjar pusau bat ka jingthung kam kan sedang Hadien dalakut ka jingtri kam ka model code of conduct namar ka jingdon collection MP lok sabha arjar pusau ula pentip ru bahau new ju usnam ya ka Rongjeng degree college ru on sedang ban pentri kam no.
So this year the department has decided, since the building of both the degree colleges is almost completed. Of course, there's some work is still pending, like water connection and some what you call the approach road, all things. Despite of all this, since the building is completed, the department and we are going ahead to make it operational, to functional from this academic session 2024 onwards. So of this, when the SSLC Earth stream will be out, and we are appointing the principal in charge immediately, and after the MCC is lifted, we will recruit all the necessary staff already sanctioned immediately after the MCC is over, and after 4th of June, and we will start functional from this academic itself.
Sir, only Patharkhmah college?
Both Patharkhmah Degree College and Rongjeng Degree College will be functional from this academic year 2020, and we are trying our best to start with immediately. And after when MCC is over, we will recruit all the necessary staff.
How many sanctioned posts?
That will start with me, but all the proposed and sanctioned posts will be recruited immediately after the MCC is over.